So today we are making a protein coffee, which is beautiful sunshine here in the UK, and I struggle to get my protein in. I had stomach surgery, so I need to keep my protein levels high, and it is difficult. So it's got three elements here. I've got my Warrior protein powder, and I go for the vanilla because I think vanilla in the coffee go really well. And you can mix it with water, or if you want something a bit more substantial, you can use your favorite milk. I think I'm going to use some almond milk today because I've got some, so that's awesome. Also, I'm going to be mixing that in my PROMiXX blender shaker bottle, which I love. It's a really nice ergonomic shape, like the colour. I like the blending device here, which I've just taken off for you to have a look at, and I really like the fact that it's got a really nice mouth, and when you close it you can give it a shake and it blends really well. I'm just going to put some ice in there as well. So there's that, and I'm also using coffee that I made last night in my County Lines cold brew jug, which I've reviewed before. It's awesome. So yeah, basically I'm going to combine these three guys up and to make a really delicious protein coffee. So let's flip it around and show you how I'm doing that. So here we go. I start with my blender bottle. I've got my ice in the bottom there to get me started. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my coffee because just in case I make it a bit too strong, I want to eyeball it. So I'm just going to fill it up, probably to there with my coffee. And if you use a nice concentrate from making your own cold brew, you can make this obviously as strong as you like it, and use any coffee that you want, which is really great. You can use like a flavoured coffee if you wanted to. I make mine about medium. I don't like mine too strong, so I put that in there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Warrior Way vanilla protein, and it does come with a scoop in there, and this is serving size is just 1 scoop, so that is what I'm going to use. Just going to do that there and pop that in. And you can also add in things like syrups and stuff as well if you wanted to take it in a direction. So if you want to put caramel in there to make it caramel vanilla, you can do whatever you want to do with it. And then I'm just going to top it up with my almond milk. I really like the Alpro no sugar, extra sugar one in there because I like to keep my carbs in check. And there you go. Just going to top it up to there. Put the shaker on top of there. And just give it a jolly good shake. And there you go, you've got a coffee vanilla protein shake. This one here's got 18 grams of protein in it, which is awesome, plus a little bit from the almond milk as well. And it's just a delicious way to enjoy a coffee shake in the morning. And yeah, you can just grab it by the collar, take it to the gym, have it in the car, whatever you want to do. I'm going to sit in the garden and enjoy this one. But yeah, absolutely awesome. There's so many recipes you can do with this, and everything here is been really great. Available from Amazon, and with Amazon you do have a 30-day guarantee. So if you buy something like this and you're not keen on it, you can always return it and contact Amazon to arrange a return. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you try this in the reviews how you enjoy it.